Hello and welcome to FixAnyPhoto Cloud. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the language on FixAnyPhoto Cloud. First, open your preferred browser and visit cloud.fixanyphoto.com. Log into your account, and once you're in, look for the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open your account options. Next, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find the language option. Click on it and simply select the language you'd like to use. That's it. You've successfully changed your language preferences. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you navigate FixAnyPhoto Cloud more easily.